Hello kids, let's make snail. Draw a semicircle.
Draw a semicircle.
Draw a twisted lines.
Draw a twisted lines.
Now make the body.
I'm making the body. It's so fun.
Now some curly lines.
Now some curly lines.
Draw two big circles.
Drawing two big circles.
Wow!
And two circles.
Draw small circles in.
Drawing small circles inside big circles.
Now connect with body.
Connecting with body.
Make a big smile. Making
The big smile.
So snail is ready. Now color it. So we have to take sparkling glittery pink color for color the snail. It's so fun. You must try this snail drawing, and it's really fun to coloring the snail. We are done with pink color. Now I'm gonna take beautiful orange or yellow color for the body. So it's a cute orange yellow color. So I'm just coloring the entire body with this color. Have to take black color. So it's done. I hope you enjoyed this video, kids. So like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel for more fun videos. Next time I'll see you. Take care. Bye bye, kids.